Use multiple platforms to promote your competition. Share posts on both Facebook and Instagram. Use eye-catching visuals and very clear messaging. If you have an email newsletter, you could alert your subscribers that you are running a competition in social media and link to it. Let's look at some other ways that you could promote your competition. Promote your competition in and around your pub, on posters, tables, chalkboards, at the bar, or on toilet doors. Like in this example, they've used a chalkboard in the garden. You could use social media advertising to boost your Instagram or Facebook post. This will enable you to reach more people and hopefully gain more entries. You could collaborate with local influencers to share your competition. They can help spread the word to their followers, therefore boosting your reach. Let's take a look at this quick example. And here's another example of using a local influencer to share your competition.
I got some on the inside.
Selecting a winner for your competition will come down to the entry requirements you stated in your competition mechanics. So what did the entrant have to do? Did they have to like a post, comment on a post, or tag a friend? Did they have to follow you? You can pick a winner randomly and in a non-biased way, and there's a fair way to do this by using this tool. The free website Comment Picker is great for picking a random winner who has commented on a Facebook or Instagram post. You could also paste names into a list and it will pick one at random. But the best way to use it is actually to log in using your Facebook credentials, and it will pick up on your Facebook page or your Instagram page. Here you'll be able to actually select the exact post that you want it to analyze the entrants on. And you can include some filters like they must have used this word or this hashtag. Do be aware that this is a free version and there are some more specific things they can do, some more sophisticated things if you go premium, which is £6 a month. So when it comes to announcing and contacting your winners, you should contact your winners via DM. Announce the winners publicly on your page to celebrate their victory. This not only recognises the winner, but also encourages future participation from them. You can see in this example, the pub group have added a comment to their Instagram post, tagging in the winner and stating that they're going to be DMing them for more information. This is a great way of doing so because then the winner will have 2 notifications, so hopefully they won't miss this message. Once your competition is over, don't forget to announce the winner and also to make sure that it is clear the competition is now closed. So you can see in the caption here, it says giveaway now closed, very clearly right at the top, in case anybody does come across this post in the future and tries to enter.